To open the plugin, click on Actions and type Pixcraft in the search bar. Let's create a new email. To do this, go to the New tab and select Blank Email. The plugin allows you to work with any layouts created with Figma's auto layout, but it also offers an extensive library of ready-made assets categorized into headers, content blocks, footers, buttons, interactive AMP components, and more. Let's create an email using this library. The Properties tab allows you to customize various block parameters. For example, if we select a carousel, the properties will let you set whether it should loop, enable autoplay, and set the delay time. The set of properties will change depending on the type of block selected. In upcoming videos, we'll take a closer look at all the available properties. When the email is ready, click Preview. Here we can check how the resulting layout looks, including its mobile adaptation, and display in dark mode, as well as the dark mode specific to Gmail on iOS. In addition to a regular HTML email, the plugin also generates an AMP version of the email, where all interactive features are available. If everything looks good, click Export. Here, you can specify the format in which you want to export the resulting layout, set the email subject, and add a pre-header. The result can be saved as an archive and configured in any ESP, or you can export it directly to one of the supported platforms using API integration. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.